Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to your daily update on Solana. Wanted to do a daily update today as well because we reached the level we talked about yesterday. So just wanted to kind of give you my thoughts on it, on if the rest is also still playing out. But we'll get to that a little bit later. You don't need to have watched the video yesterday to get into this video. We'll do a full analysis regardless. All right. So let's start off with the fundamentals. Fundamentals in the market. Look, Bitcoin is still bullish. Bitcoin dominance is still bullish for so for Solana, especially the last 2 days or so, have been a little bit neutral. All right. Ultimately, the trend is still up, but we have lost quite a lot of momentum. You can see the momentum has been dropping down since basically Tuesday evening, so that's not amazing. And then if we look at the fundamentals, look, I'm still very bullish on the fundamentals, but the growth has also kind of stopped since last week. All right, that's when we topped out index trading volumes and total value locked, which I think are the best two metrics to kind of gauge how strong a network is. So fundamentally still bullish, but a little bit less bullish than last week. Technically still bullish, but a little bit less bullish than last week as well. So the big question is as well, can we actually continue this bullish momentum? All right, can we actually continue this uptrend? This is what I said yesterday. Yesterday what I said is that I think it's most likely we will drop down into this main support level right here at 172, 175, right? So this level right here. That is what we have done so far. But now we do need to get some sort of a strong reaction, all right? We do need to get a strong bounce here, some sort of a breakout back above 178 to actually get to that level, our price target around 190. Do I think that is most likely? Ultimately, yes. Purely technically, I mean, the trend we have started here on the not only the 4-hour time frame, but also the 12-hour time frame is a very strong trend. It is certainly a possibility that we will spike down lower, all right, in the event that Bitcoin gets some sort of a liquidation spike down, some sort of a flush. That would not actually be very bearish. That would actually be pretty good for Solana, which compared to other altcoins is holding up decent. So that's a possibility, but ultimately breaking this downtrend, given the fundamentals that Solana has, and given the overall market circumstances, at the moment, I don't think is most likely yet. I think it is much more likely, looking at this, that we will regain new momentum and that we will reach those highs right here around 190, let's say 188, 192. So I do think that's most likely. Do I think you should buy Solana here, though? Then I'm not too sure about. Because if you're buying right here at like 174 or 172, I think the risk reward is not really worth it anymore. I think if we get some sort of a flush, so if we get some sort of a spike down into 164, down to 160, I think that's a great buy area still on the higher time frames as well, and you have a lot of bullish technicals there. But honestly, at the moment, I would stay away from Solana, especially, and that is one of the main things I think you need to focus on as well, especially while the open interest is moving like this. All right, what we need to see now is fresh inflows of momentum. So keep an eye on the open interest. Do you see a spike in there? Do you actually see some sort of a fresh increase in that, like we saw, for example, on Saturday? Then I think it's most likely we're still going for those highs, and then you could enter. But for now, if you want to trade this, I think it's most likely we're still going up to those highs. But if you want to trade this, I would really wait for that signal from the momentum. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.